To check your transaction history on Binance, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find the information you need. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website or open the Binance app. Enter your credentials to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, locate the wallet option on the top menu. Click on it to access your wallet overview. Step 3. Select transaction history. In the wallet overview, look for the transaction history option. Click on it to view all your past transactions, including deposits, withdrawals, and trades. Step 4. Filter your transactions. To make it easier to find specific transactions, use the filter options available. You can filter by date range, transaction type, or asset to narrow down your search. Step 5. Review and export your history. Once you have found the transactions you need, you can review the details. If you want to keep a record, look for an option to export your transaction history as a CSV or PDF file. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Binance. This process helps you stay informed about your trading activities and manage your investments effectively.